The name's Bond. James Bond.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Vishal, and yesterday I was reading the book King, Warrior, Magician, Lover. So I was about to finish it, and there was one thing mentioned there: act as if. Now, act as if is something that I've read in multiple, books, in multiple videos. I've seen this, and this actually works. Acting as if your role model. Suppose you have James Bond, Tyler Durden, Hank Moody, or any of the famous masculine characters as your role model. Think how would they act in a given situation, and you won't believe that you will actually access lot of their abilities, lot of their charm, their confidence, all of those things in yourself. Acting as if is one of the best ways to develop muscle memory that is not originally yours. So basically, your mind actually believes into it. You make your mind believe that you are an alpha character, you are strong, you are confident, you are self assured, even when you are not. For example, if you're very good in football, actually very good in football, your brain knows that. So whenever you enter the field, you execute that confidence. And suppose you're terrible in cricket. You're good in football, but you're terrible in cricket. So whenever you will enter cricket field, you'll always have that inside you that I'm not a good player. I'm actually a terrible player. But if you start studying about cricketers, if you start looking up to the friends who are very good in cricket, you start acting like them, the way they walk into the field, what kind of mindset they have. You think of yourself as a very good cricketer. How would imagine if you were a good cricketer, how would you act? And then you get on the field. Your mind will experience something different. Your mind will start to get thoughts. Your mind will start, there will be areas activated in your mind that are actually activated when you are a good player. And that is how muscle memory will start developing. You will actually perform good because your brain has now thinking that you are a good player. So the idea is act like the person you want to become. Now recently I've been watching this series called Californication. So it has Hank Moody in it. So basically I started to watch it because of to understand the character, that character Hank Moody. And it's actually the most masculine character on TV I've seen. So he is like total charmer. He attracts women like this, and he has this ability in him. He has a certain character in which he's relaxed in all the most fucked up situations in his life. He's stable. Now I've watched a lot of him, a lot of Hank Moody. So whenever I'm in a certain situation, I think of how Hank Moody would have done it. How Hank Moody would have carried himself in this particular situation. Because he's someone I'm trying to learn something from. So how would Hank Moody react in that situation? And then I recall his behavior and act in that manner. So I am Vishal, but I'm accessing that abilities, that charm, that confidence in myself. So I'm manifesting that character for some time in myself. Now my subconscious mind is not aware of this. My conscious mind is aware that something of this sort is happening because it's doing that. But my subconscious mind, it doesn't understand. It starts to see that Vishal is being confident in this situation. He's acting different. He's being something else. And it starts to believe that this is me actually. So that character slowly becomes a part of me. So I'm acting like Hank Moody so as to manifest some of his good qualities as a part of me. Right now it won't be natural because I have to again and again think how would he act and then I have to act. But after a certain point, it will become a part of me. I won't have to think about how he will act. Now this is a part of me. This is a part of Vishal. That is how acting as if works. If you are not confident, you're going for an interview, you're not confident, act confident. You don't have to feel confident, you just have to act confident. You have to fake it. Fake the confidence. Now, there's a line between how much you fake it. Like, the faking confidence should not get into the arrogance part. It should not jump to a overconfidence thing. But you can actually fake the confidence so that confidence can actually become a part of you. So suppose, for example, there's a situation in life that demands you to be courageous, to be brave, and in reality you know that I'm not courageous, I'm not brave to handle this situation. Then fake that courage, fake that bravery, because you won't be feeling courageous in your heart, you won't be feeling brave in your heart, but you will be acting as if you are brave, you will be acting as if you are courageous, as if you have the situation in control, everything is going smooth for you, you can handle it. And then slowly your mind will start to believe that you are actually courageous to handle that situation. So that is how acting as if works. So people say, if you want to be successful, act like a successful man. What it means is that plan your day as if you're already successful. Your activities should be carried in a manner the way a successful man does. And to do that, you need to study a successful man. So it can be a character, like I chose Hank Moody for some time. It can be a TV character, movie character, or it can be a friend of yours. Some person you know who has actually achieved what you want to achieve. Learn from him. Act like him. First, understand how he behaves in all situations, how he carries himself. Then when you are in a situation, think how would that person act in this situation, and act in that manner. So this won't be natural in starting. If you're thinking that it will come out very natural, it won't. Sometimes situations can get fucked up. Like in starting you acted like that person, but after a certain point you don't know how to carry it on. So these kind of things will happen. But over the time, when you keep doing it, perseverance, then you will actually learn that behavior. For many people, Tyler Durden from Fight Club is their motivation. The way he carries himself, the aura he has, the power he has, the alphaness he has, they like that thing. Now, if you want to be like him, start acting like him. Watch Fight Club multiple times, understand what kind of behavior Tyler Durden is having, and then apply that behavior in your situations of life. That is how with time that behavior will become a part of you. You will become confident, strong, dominant, alpha, uncaring, chill guy who is not bothered by the chaos of the society, who is not stuck up in the consumerism of the society. So guys, I would highly suggest that if you want to improve in a certain aspect of your life, then first select a role model who is already good in that particular field. Select that person, learn from that person, and then apply his behavior in your life. And soon you will become that person. Done.